Deciding whether to replace your air conditioner with a heat pump depends on various factors. Here are some key considerations. Today's heat pumps are more energy efficient than traditional air conditioning systems. If you require both heating and cooling in your home, a heat pump offers year-round comfort. It can be more cost-effective than running separate heating and cooling systems. If your AC unit is old and inefficient, replacing it with a heat pump could be a wise long-term investment. Heat pumps play a crucial role in reducing the overall demand for fossil fuels by utilizing electricity. Heat pumps can also be powered by renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power. In Massachusetts, there are several rebates and tax incentives available for heat pumps. The Rodenhiser team is very familiar with available incentives and can help ensure that you take full advantage of any available rebates or incentives for your heat pump installation. Consult with a qualified HVAC professional to assess your home's specific requirements, provide recommendations based on your needs, and help you determine if a heat pump is a suitable replacement for your current AC system. Contact Rodenhiser Home Services, your local HVAC experts.